Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your ReCAPTCHA is not working properly when trying to access certain websites, and no matter how you're trying to get around it by clicking inside the box to say that you're not a robot or doing all the tests, for some reason you're still having a problem. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that without too much of a hassle, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the start menu, type in network reset. Best result should come back with network reset. Go ahead and open that up. So before you proceed, make sure you have your Wi-Fi passcode nearby, because once we select reset now, when we restart our computer, you're going to need to re-enter back in your Wi-Fi code once the computer boots back up. So you just want to make sure you have that, as well as saving and closing out of any programs, anything you're working on at this time, because once you select reset now, you're going to have a 5-minute window to restart the computer. Otherwise, the system is just going to restart automatically. So just keep both of those two factors in mind here. Select the reset now button, go ahead and select yes, and now we're going to get a little pop-up saying that we're about to be signed out. I'm going to click on close, and I'm going to restart the computer. And there we go, guys. We should be good to go. If you want to enable your PC to be discovered by other PCs, you can select yes or select no. You guys have already set this up when you originally set up your Wi-Fi settings, so you guys should know which one to go with. And that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.